शुकतुंडकः मुष्टिश्च शिखराख्यश्च कपित्थ कटकामुखः सूची चंद्रकला पद्मकोशः सर्पशिरस्तथा मृगशीर्ष सिंहमुखः काङ्गुलश्च अलपद्मकः चतुरो भ्रमरश्चैव ताम्रचूड त्रिशूलकः. Thank God. Oh my God.
Yay.
During the lockdown also, because I'm such an enthu cutlet and I was always doing some arts and crafts project which included like painting furniture, painting, like I would order paint and brushes and do this and that. At one point my cousin was like, he used to talk to me like literally, I would come out of the room like looking damn excited that I'd found a new project and he'd be like, Addu, stay, sit, stay. Good Addu. Behave.
Like a doggo.
Literally.
Sir, your car is now protected.
So let me welcome you on the show. I have something prepared slightly long, ठीक है?
Go ahead.
आधा बर से मोहतरमा. Welcome to the Bombay journey powered by Castrol Magnetic. खैरियत? हम हैदराबाद में पले बड़े भाई.
Really?
आओ फिर नहीं तो कैसे लाते ऐसे बैगन के बाता?
अयो बैगन का बाता. So sweet. Really?
लेकिन आओ फिर नहीं तो मलकपेट के आगे. चार मीनार का नहीं.
It'll take me a while to get into this.
Old city boys
Too
है
good.
अपन.
Really?
नहीं मैं भी आपकी तरह ना बहुत वाइड डायस्पोरा की लिनिएज रखता हूँ.
हाँ. Oh.
हाँ.
Tell what all?
मेरे पापा हरियाणा, मम्मी ग्वालियर, मैं पला बड़ा हैदराबाद.
Too good.
और बम्बई 13 साल.
तो ना अभी हिंदी बम्बईया तो नहीं हुई अभी तक.
नहीं, आप जैसी बनाना चाहो वैसी कर लेता हूँ.
Too good. Oh, कर लेता हूँ मैं.
हाँ.
Too good. Love it.
तो ये ऐसा है. आपकी भी बता दो लिनिएज क्योंकि उसी के लिए क्वेश्चन था.
मैं कहाँ शुरू करूँ? तो my dad is Bori.
ठीक है.
But his mother was some half, I think Scottish.
Wow.
His
Wow.
mother. So my dadi. Then my mum is half Telugu and half Chitrapur Saraswat. Those are like Mangalore, Konkanis.
Yes.
Yeah, you know.
Yeah.
And yeah, so what does that make me? Khichdi.
बढ़िया. नो सेक्युलर मैक्स.
Secular.
सेक्युलर इंडिया की प्रतीक है आप.
No, actually, yeah.
जी, हाँ.
Totally.
और बैंड्रा की कोई कहानियां हैं तो आप हमें बता सकती हो. लिंकिंग रोड पे आई थी नहीं कभी?
ये we're on Linking Road.
या.
You can imagine ना मैं क्या करती हूँ. When I'm in the car, I'm emailing, checking photos.
नाइस.
But Linking Road, I came here actually when I was a kid for the first time.
व्हेन वाज दिस?
And this is when I was in boarding school.
Oh,
And
wow.
it was just like, oh my
You
God.
went to that
this is
fancy
so
Andhra wala
cool.
boarding school, no? What valley?
Fancy? Rishi Valley.
Rishi Valley.
Well, not, I wouldn't call it fancy. It was
I
actually
mean,
very
Rishi Valley now has a
in
name,
thought
boss.
it was fancy.
Everybody thought so. हम लोग हैदराबाद में ऐसे ही लगता था हमको.
Yeah.
ऋषि वैली
Even
तो
my
बहुत fancy.
parents went there actually.
Yeah.
Yeah.
ये तो सही है यार फिर.
That's why I was also sent there. Yeah, but it very, very progressive in thought and very like free spirited. But also like a school that, you know, really encouraged you to be kind and sensitive and so yeah. So one of my masis was studying abroad and she had just finished studying and she moved to Bombay to work.
Oh wow.
So to visit her and then she took me around. And
कहाँ
then I
था?
went on a
Where was
bus
she?
and-
मतलब like area wise.
Mumbai. She was in town.
Oh, so आपके लिए town is your first memory of Mumbai? Is that what
Yeah,
it is?
yeah.
So
But
what
I
parts
also
of
was
town?
brought to Linking Road. Also, I have cousins who live in Bandra.
In like
So-
these villages वाला areas मस्त वाले.
No, actually, on what is that road called? Bandstand.
हाँ क्या? वाह यार ये तो मतलब sunset वाला view वाला area मिल गया
Very
आपको.
pretty.
क्या
Yeah,
बात है.
my dad's side.
तो मतलब जब आप काम करने आई यहाँ पर तब आपके लिए ऐसा टेंशन नहीं था क्या?
थोड़ा तो था, मतलब टेंशन नहीं, बट अच्छा नया शहर, लिविंग इन अ न्यू सिटी इज ऑलवेज डिफरेंट. देन आई डिडंट हैव एनी फ्रेंड्स रियली. ऑल्सो आई थिंक जब मैं 2010 लाइक 10 करीब में आई थी तो soon after that I started working. So the first thing I really saw was a film set and I also
तो सीधा मुंबई आते ही सीधा फिल्म सेट.
I mean, almost. Like about maybe 6-7 months later, I started working with Sudhir sir on
ये दिल्ली से हो गई थी तब तक.
हाँ, but उस टाइम मैं एक्टर नहीं थी ना. उस टाइम मतलब honestly, yeah, really, मैं नहीं थी एक्टर. मैं
रॉकस्टार भी हो गई थी तब तक तो.
नहीं
हुई थी रॉकस्टार नहीं थी.
नहीं. इसलिए मैं हमेशा कहती हूँ, like once I came here and I decided to be an actor, it's only after that I really started like, अच्छा, this is it. This is what I want to do. What are my hopes and dreams, and this is where I really want to make my life, etc.
Yeah.
But before that, I was just like studying, dancing. कभी somebody would call me, say actor बनना है, and I would say बनना तो है लेकिन कैसे. So it was more like that.
तो आपको बोलती थी पब्लिक बचपन में कि आप एक्टिंग कर सकती हो, बिकॉज
हाँ,
आप 6 साल की थी तब से तो भरतनाट्यम कर रही हो.
5 साल की.
5 साल की.
हाँ.
तो अरंगेट्यम वगैरह खत्म किया था.
हाँ, not 5 साल की.
हाँ.
I finished my Arangetram later, but मतलब मैंने डांस किया थ्रू इवन बोर्डिंग स्कूल में भी मैं डांस करती थी. फिर छुट्टी के टाइम
टीचर वीचर का अरेंजमेंट था सब.
हाँ था, बट ऑब्वियसली माय गुरु इज लीला सैमसन, सो obviously
wow,
I didn't have
Leela Samson.
yes, you know, oh
Of
good,
course.
you know dance and all. Yeah,
Of course,
okay.
I have learned Bharatanatyam for 6 years.
Really?
Yes.
Oh wow.
I
How
can do
cool.
my patakas right now.
Patakas, Tripatako, at the Pataka.
Oh, I went to 3 pataka.
शुकतुण्डकः मुष्टिश्च शिखराख्यश्च कपित्थ कटकामुखः सूची चन्द्रकला पद्मकोशः सर्पशिरस्तथा मृगशीर्षः सिंहमुखः काङ्गुलश्च अलपद्मकः चतुरो भ्रमरश्चैव ताम्रचूडः त्रिशूलकः. Oh my god.
ये बट ये सब आपका, फिर आपने मार्शल आर्ट भी सीखा.
Actually, school में we had this amazing dancer called Daksha Seth, and she used to visit school, and उस time मैंने थोड़ा सा कलरी सीखा, तो all the कलरी kicks and all I learned that.
कलरी पार्ट इज तो डिफिकल्ट यार.
हाँ, but it was a lot of fun.
मुझे लगा आपको ये ताज में जैसे आ रही है आपकी वेब सीरीज, उसमें ये सब चीजों का इस्तेमाल हुआ रहेगा, बट आई डोंट थिंक इट इज.
But also wrong region ना थोड़ा सा.
हाँ. नहीं मतलब
North West frontier, कलरी is from Kerala.
ले आ जाती है ना जो बॉडी में डांस वगैरह का आपको.
I would have loved to do, especially you know that old style sword.
Yeah.
And it would have been so lovely. But nahin, I didn't have that opportunity.
Were you like
I'm
the
very
youngest
chill.
or something?
No, amongst my first cousins on my mom's side, I am the eldest, but I'm treated like the youngest.
ऐसा कैसे होता है यार?
होता, but क्या करें? I'm the only like sister ना, and then there are all these ruffian boys.
Yeah, नहीं तो it's I think I get the emotion because like with my sister also, all cousins, it's like non-stop protection. भाई लोग.
Protection also, but मतलब घर पे there's no peace.
Yeah.
But बाहर full protection.
Very cool.
Yeah.
Very cool. But bullying हुआ थोड़ा.
Oh my god, that's an understatement.
Aish.
It's like all jokes are on me. But I thought now though I'm so used to it. I'm like, hey, tell that time now when I did that. That stupid thing that I did. I'm the first one to laugh at myself. Now what to do? You have to do that.
Can I ask what these jokes are? Can I know what they are?
I've done many idiotic things.
कुछ एक में लेटिन कीजिए हमें.
You just have to believe me.
Yeah, we believe you. We believe you. We're coming back
But
to
it's
Mumbai.
also like even during the lockdown also, because I'm such an into cutlet, and I was always doing some arts and crafts project which included like painting furniture, painting, like I would order paint and brushes and do this and that. At one point my cousin was like, he used to talk to me like literally, I would come out of the room like looking damn excited that I'd found a new project, and he'd be like, Addu, stay, sit, stay. Good Addu. Behave.
Like a doggo.
Literally.
ये देखो हम लोग मुंबई पे वापस आते हैं. क्या है कि इतना बड़ा शहर है, स्टार्ट स्टॉप प्रोटेक्शन का हम लोग का टेंशन कैस्ट्रॉल मैग्नेटिक ने लिया है, तो हमारा एक सेगमेंट है नया. इट्स कॉल्ड प्रोटेक्शन के फंडे. ओके, वेरी सिंपली. Are you somebody and rapid fire?
Rapid fire?
Yeah. Like, fat.
I'll try.
Are you a road trip person?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Love.
So who's your favorite travel partner on a road trip?
It should be a car full of like mad people.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What are you doing for non-stop protection in that car? Like, are you taking measures for the road trip vehicle? Seat belts. Seat belts are compulsory.
Seat belts, yeah. And one responsible person who's not being crazy.
Yeah.
Also music, because it helps people like stay up and stay focused. Then obviously no nefarious activities like
100%.
drinking.
100%.
That's the worst. I think that's so. And you know, so many people say, "Arey, nothing happens." I'm like, if you don't care about yourself, please care about others.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then, is there a difference in the way you would protect your car in the city? Do you do something when you're in the city, which is different from the road trip kind of a time?
Well, I have a driver dada who really drives at the, like a snail would be faster than him. He's very slow and careful, thankfully.
That's right.
So I always leave early.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's a better thing to
It's
do,
a great
right?
pro tip.
Yeah.
तो एक प्रोटेक्शन के फंडे खत्म करते हुए, you also have a lot of trolls, Aditi, and
हाँ, so
what are
I
you doing for
have
protection
trolls.
against the online trolls?
One is to live in a little delusional world of unicorns
हाँ.
where you're able to cut out that noise.
Very cool.
It's a great place, honestly.
Yeah.
But sometimes you have to deal with reality and see like what's going on. Also to know what you're protecting yourself from, right? But I always feel like what is like the control that you have and the is to be able to exercise that choice. Ki I don't want to look at this and this does not matter because these are not people who care about my betterment, right?
हाँ जी.
So I'm like, no, why am I getting upset with them? And also, like, somebody's having a bad day, they're gonna say something terrible to you, and you wish them well, and just
बहुत सही.
move to the next.
Very cool.
So it's okay.
Any ceiling की कहानियां we're done with the protection के फंडे segment. Interesting है. इसका end में ना आपको give away है क्या? ठीक है, तो आप सुनना.
क्या?
एक कुछ है उन लोग का. Give
किसका?
away रहेगा लोगों के लिए.
Oh, ceiling की कहानियाँ क्या मतलब? It's I don't know. It's pretty.
Yeah.
That's all. It's amazing. Oh my god! And it's also very beautiful to look at.
है ना?
Yeah, it's lovely.
I love it.
It's like, especially when you look at it from afar, it's like one pretty monument
Yeah.
structure. And there's so much like metal and cement and all, but it still looks so pretty.
हाँ, for sure. I know what
Very
you mean.
nice. है ना?
हाँ. ऐसा आपके लिए relatable areas कौन से होंगे फिर? हैदराबाद के, दिल्ली के और मुंबई के?
Hyderabad, my grandmother's house, which
Where is that?
I mean, it's called Naubat Pahad now. I don't know what else to call it. It's near the Birla Planetarium.
समझ गया. हाँ.
Okay, and it's really lovely, and like it's the best place to play hide and seek. You'll never find anybody. And then my mamu's house, which is in Jubilee Hills, I love that too. My mum also lives there in Banjara Hills. I like basically for me it's about people.
हाँ जी.
Those places. Then there are little things like places to eat, which I love. Like I love Mountain Bakery ka chicken sandwich.
Au.
Oh, it's so good. And those wafers. Then the Sikandrabad Club, where I used to go. My nani used to take me Amama. Do you know that word?
Amama,
So my Amama used to take me swimming there, and so that. Then where else? More recently, like House of Dosas, and there's so many
never
good
been.
places.
What are you
House
saying?
of Dosas is insane. Oh my
Really?
god! The dosas there are so good. There's one thing called a ghee karam dosa. You have to have it. It's
Oh.
bomb.
I love a ghee karam dosa.
Oh my
That's my standard
God.
go-to dosa.
So it's really bomb. And yeah, then even the old city, like I love that. What is it called? That place where you get the chudis.
हाँ.
Ayo, it's called
Lad
something.
Bazaar.
Lad Bazaar.
हाँ.
Correct.
అవును मला అంతా తెలుసు
really.
బాబు.
Lad Bazaar. I love Falaknuma.
Falaknuma is amazing. The dining table,
So
you should
beautiful.
eat at least once of that massive dining
Yeah,
table.
I've eaten there once.
Yeah.
Once or twice. Yeah. Bombay is more about work, but I love the fact that you can really live out your dreams in Bombay, and it's a kind of city that allows you to do that. It's a real leveler,
100%.
and especially for a girl, especially for a woman, I feel
Yeah.
it's an amazing city to work, and it's very accepting. There's no judgment.
Absolutely.
It's what you bring to the table. In terms of your work and who you are, and I really love that about the city. It's a great city. And they say spirit of Bombay, is really the people here.
People of
It's
Bombay,
so
people of
amazing. When it comes to the crunch, everybody just like helps each other. I find that very cool. But it's also a hustler city.
हसल फसल. अगर आपको भागना नहीं आता तो आप इधर बहुत
Exactly.
टेंशन ही आ
You
जाओगे.
have to get to work. You have to be there. You have to be present, because if you're not there, somebody else will say, "I'm there," and
Yeah,
that's
yeah.
it. Yeah, which is also kind of like, it's very cool. It's harsh, but it's cool.
Yeah. But मुंबई के खाने की जगह
Punjab Sweet House के गोलगप्पे.
अभी देख के ही आए अपन.
हाँ. Then Swati Snacks.
Oh yes, स्वाति स्नैक्स के बारे में एक और बार जिक्र हुआ है बॉम्बे जर्नी पे.
So good. Then
तो
the
सब
new
चाट वाट
place
की
that I
जगह
love
बता
is
रही है.
Americano, but they're damn mean. They never give
A table?
never ever. I love Izumi,
Izumi I love. Yes.
and
absolutely.
Izumi always somehow
has a table for you.
I always manage, or at least like we call it. So Sanam and I, my stylist and I, we always go to Izumi at the end of a long day, and we're like, even if there's no place, we'll sit in the kitchen. We'll take a little punishment table on the side, no problem. But we just want to eat that food.
फिर दिल्ली की बात करो. दिल्ली के एरिया और दिल्ली का खाना.
So I grew up like as a kid. I was in Defense Colony, and then later Mehrauli, and then Delhi ka khana is insane. Especially the street khana.
अरे भाई.
Yeah.
भाई.
So that mathra kulcha.
Oh.
Then Hanuman Mandir में कचौड़ी आलू. Then गोलगप्पे. But especially after dance class हम लोग सब especially after a rehearsal or something हम लोग सब जाके गोलगप्पे खाते थे with लीला का. She is the champion of the गोलगप्पा army.
आओ ना.
हाँ. So
बट तीन कितने अलग टाइप के गोलगप्पे देखिए अगर आप हम बात कर रहे हैं जो आते आते अभी इसी रास्ते पे हमने
पुचका पानी पूरी एंड गोलगप्पा.
या
Very
I mean
different.
हैदराबाद में you get like the garam chana.
हाँ.
Mumbai you have chana with sometimes
That ragda.
some more mix या ragda.
And those sprouts. And all.
Sprouts also sometimes. Delhi you have पूरे आलू की पानी पूरी.
But over here also when I go to Punjab Street House, I'm like, I want only aloo.
Aloo, oh yeah, the aloo kinds. अच्छा ठीक है. Can tell a lot about a person from their pani puri choice.
Aloo. And Calcutta also, insane puchka. Whoa.
I
so
love
good.
a Calcutta puchka.
It's too good, it's too good.
Green chili वहीं पे आपके सामने काट के डाला
Dude,
होता है
it's
उसने.
too good.
Oh,
That place also I love the food. I love Cal.
ये देखो जब आप नसीर साहब के साथ भी काम कर रहे हो ना, is he like he enters a zone and then he comes out and he's like this character, right? Is that how he is?
I just found like he's a real chiller and he's very like there's a comfort being around him. I mean he is a legend and he's somebody that we all respect immensely. But I also found, when you walk onto set with people like that, like quite often we tend to almost like, put them on this pedestal,
Hanji.
But sometimes I feel like they don't want to be on that pedestal. They want to like
Just be an actor.
Yeah, and have fun and create the scene and work at it. And Nasir was very much like that. And in fact, whatever nervousness I had before stepping onto set, it was like kind of gone in 10 minutes. And I was mostly sitting with him correcting my pronunciation because there was thoda Urdu and whatever. And I mean, one can get it wrong.
नहीं उनकी उर्दू बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी है.
It's too beautiful. Like just the way he speaks, whether it's English, Hindi, Urdu, whatever, or Hindustani, which like a mix of the languages. He really speaks beautifully. He also has an incredible voice.
100%.
Yeah.
तो आपके हैं ताज में बहुत सारे सीन फिर.
With Nasir sir and of course with Ashim, who's playing Salim.
यार लेकिन उनका इस्मत आपा के नाम देखो आप जाके मोटली का आपको समझेगा कि आधी उर्दू तो आपको अभी भी नहीं चमक रही.
It's a beautiful language. I wish I could speak it better, but I have to like really concentrate and speak it.
हाँ क्या?
हाँ.
ऐसा मजा आया कि आपको कि OTT है तो भाई आर्क मतलब Z5 इतनी एक तो दो चीज. For me it is like boss Z5 इतना बड़ा माउंट कर रहा है कुछ चीज.
That's true.
Isn't that like quite kadak for OTT to have achieved today?
Yeah, it's really amazing, and also I think the team that they have got and the team that they have like that they believed in is very cool because they're people from all over the globe. जैसे हमारे जो हाँ हमारे जो डायरेक्टर हैं वो UK के हैं.
Oh wow.
He's English. I mean he's not Indian. Our showrunner is William from. So our director is Ronald Scalpello. Our showrunner is William. Our writer is Simon.
वो तो कलर टोन से ही समझ में आ जाता है वो. जो कोई फिरंग का अप्रोच आया है इसमें.
Because it's different, right? It's another nazariya.
Correct.
Of looking at the same story, and from the editor, DOP, everybody, they're not from here. And I think that was one of the reasons I even did this क्योंकि जब पहले मुझे पता चला कि कोई ये बना रहा है and they said कि they want you to play Anarkali, I just laughed. I was like, Are you mad? Why would
बट
like?
लीड का रोल है यार.
But Madhubala ji played Anarkali. Am I
हाँ, मतलब like
stupid to try and play it?
हाँ.
And then I mean you can't better that, you know, Mughal-e-Azam and that and.
ऐसा टेंशन था क्या आपको? बहुत टेंशन.
नहीं, जब उन्होंने पहले मुझे बताया, I was like, अरे भाई क्यों? And then when the team came to meet me, I realized that they're making a very different story. I mean,
अप्रोच ही अलग है.
हाँ, उनका अप्रोच ही अलग है. और वो लव स्टोरी नहीं बना रहे. They are making like a family drama almost, and of course the love is
जो
a
कि
very
सत्य भी था ना, फैमिली ड्रामा हो ही रहा था वहाँ पर.
absolutely. And the love story एक बहुत important part है उस family drama का, because I think a lot of what Salim becomes is because of the love he loses.
Yeah.
फिर अनारकली का किरदार भी उन्होंने जैसे लिखा ना, it was like हमारे जहन में अनारकली एक you know this ethereal goddess like, you know, ऐसे मतलब she's this kind of iconic figure, but the way they wrote it, they literally they dealt with her just like a girl in love, and actually a very fearless girl, क्योंकि
Yeah.
she stands up to the emperor. She takes whatever punishment she gets, and it's her choice to take that punishment. It's her choice to stand, you know, is to stand by the love, to stand by the to stand by loyalty, to stand by the truth. वो उसका choice है, her age, मतलब उसकी agency है at that time.
हाँ, मतलब
You know?
हिस्ट्री इज द बिगेस्ट स्पॉइलर वाली बात आ जाती है. मतलब ये कहानी पता है तो आपको पता है कि स्पॉइलर क्या है आपके लिए.
हाँ, everybody knows.
Everybody knows.
But how it how the I would say the detail of it, यहाँ पे there's a lot of creative liberty also, because we all know कि अनारकली actually हमारे history textbooks में नहीं है.
नहीं है.
She is actually more
Mythical
creative
character.
imagine.
Yeah,
हाँ, exactly. And Nazir sir says in fact that she's probably an amalgamation of various
Multiple women, yes.
yeah, in that one, you know.
वो तो एक आर्टिस्ट के लिए भी इंटरेस्टिंग होगा ना. यू आर
हाँ.
आल्सो लाइक मेकिंग योर ओन अनारकली वर्जन, है ना.
Yeah, I mean that's what made me feel excited about doing it, and it absolved that, you know, that responsibility, or because it's not about stepping into anybody's shoes or redoing something. No, this is a completely different take on this whole thing. Also, it's quite like gritty and dark, and even the way it's been picturized, you know, it's not that
या
ephemeral, whatever.
थोड़ा
It's
dark
like
है क्या?
real. मतलब थोड़ा है angst ridden and kind of real and human.
Very good.
Human.
वैसी कहानियां भी बहुत बनने लगी हैं अब. अच्छा है.
हाँ. और OTT पे I guess, you know, वो those kind of details
कैरेक्टर आर्क एक्सप्लोर करने को मिल रहा है आपको, है ना.
कर भी सकते हैं.
तो मजा आया फिर.
मजा आया. और मुझे मतलब मैं हमेशा मानती हूँ कि हम जब सेट पे आते हैं, it's like first of all we get to do this amazing work, but
Yeah.
it's also looking forward to coming every day onto set and working hard, and you know it's a lot of work, and being vulnerable in front of a camera, and you know all of that. और जब अच्छी team होती है ना, this team was a very interesting team, and it was also so fresh to work with a
Very
team like
different
this.
kind of
Very
approach.
different. Yeah. So it was fun.
फन. बट आपको ऐसा कभी नहीं लगा कि यू वर प्लेइंग रोल्स व्हिच वर, यू नो, with the protagonist, and this time you get to be the protagonist in a very big manner? Did you ever feel like you were getting roles, or you were, you know, you wanted something bigger in the pie? ऐसा कभी हुआ क्या? As an actor,
When?
like you've done a lot of these films जहाँ पर आप बहुत substantial roles play कर रही हैं, but they aren't the protagonist per se.
Huh.
वो.
But you know, because I've done both,
हाँ जी.
I enjoy that, because sometimes, you know, see, a heroine is a heroine because of the life she leads and the choices she makes. It's not the screen time, you know.
Yeah.
So, like, to people, honestly, and to me, and to the makers, say in a Padmavati, of the four protagonists, I had the smallest part. But because of the choices she makes, and because of the girl she is, and because
Yeah.
she's a heroine.
Very
you know?
headstrong. Very headstrong.
Yeah, and so what if I'm there for 25 minutes as opposed to, or 20 minutes, whatever it is, as
Hanji.
opposed to 2 hours.
हाँ जी.
In another film, I'll be there for 2 hours, you
Yeah.
know, and in this, but it's what are you doing when you're there, you know? I think that's what's more important to me.
No, even in Rockstar,
Honestly.
your character was very grey, very beautiful, so real, so relatable sometimes.
She's grey.
Yeah, I mean, slightly, no, because
I mean, she's a fiery journalist.
yeah,
Date. Very honestly, Rockstar में जो लिखा था और जो ultimately हुआ, वो काफी मतलब मेरा जो पूरा एक होलसम ट्रैक था
हाँ जी, वो कटा क्या?
हाँ, it became very मतलब it became much less and actually it was very nice. No, not that I knew anything at that time. I was new and I had just done Ye Sali Zindagi, and while I was shooting that I did this and I was just dying to work with the director and you know work with Ranbir and all. But I just feel bad because it was a very nice track. But वो थोड़ा कम हो गया. But people seem to like it a lot.
I'd assumed you'd have a bigger track because that character seemed like she was introduced to do a bunch of leading on for this character.
No, yeah, and also like to have a whole journey. I think that's what's that's what is interesting when you play something. Yeah.
So, do you have a favorite industry because you've done Hindi, Telugu, Tamil, Malayalam? Or what do you like in each?
Yeah, that's a nicer question.
Yes.
Thank you so much. So let's start with Malayalam because I loved working on Sufiyum Sajateyum.
Yes.
The language is hard for me, but I played a mute girl in it, and I was so comfortable doing really long takes because of that.
Yeah.
But it was a magical experience, also because of the kind of story that it was.
Anji.
And I love watching Malayalam films because of how rooted and how they're just incredible. They write such gutsy films,
very,
you know.
Very.
And even their actors, they're so real and just so amazing. Just the way they breathe on camera, you're just like, how are they doing that? You know, it's amazing. Then Tamil, I love because it's a lovely mix of incredible content, some incredible directors with really strong voices, very diverse cinema, and a lovely mix of keeping it sort of commercial, reaching out to a larger audience, and telling really good stories. So I love Tamil films for that. Telugu is out and out
Madness.
Fun, city marna, great music.
I love the sets because 7 baje utte tiffin milte hai pehle.
Arey, lunch breaks are so long.
Lunch breaks are very long.
And
so
on
a
Telugu film, they literally they'll treat you like I had a director, Ajay sir, on Mahasamudram, and he used to say, Aditi ji, Ma Angel. He used to literally treat me like that. I just feel like,
nice.
Thanks.
Yeah.
It was a lot of fun.
As an artist,
and also the music, in Malayalam, Tamil, Telugu, original music,
crazy.
Great composers, amazing technical teams. I mean, they're just fab. And then Kannada films I don't know so much about, but recently Kantara and
killing
KGF and even Kirik Party and that film, the Charlie.
Yeah, I think so.
Doggo. Oh my God, so sweet. How much I wept.
आप खुद ड्राइव करती हो क्या बिल्कुल भी? आप
करती थी जब मैं पहले आई, अब नहीं करती.
क्यों ऐसा? पक गई.
It's parking is difficult, and then also I can get a lot of work done in the car.
Yeah.
And then just like a shut eye or whatever. I can't take on this thing of driving in traffic. I don't enjoy it.
Very nice.
I used to. It was also, when it's new for you, you enjoy it, right? After this, it was like...
What car did you start with?
So, my grandmother actually taught me to drive, and she made me learn on a Jeep.
Oh, really?
In a Jeep, yeah. With a stick shift.
Oh, superb.
And my grandmother's house is on a hill. So, she used to... When the instructor used to come, she used to make me reverse up and down the hill.
I know the hill you're talking about. It's a full, proper, steep chadao.
It's actually very steep.
Yeah, I know.
And it's like this.
Yeah.
She used to make me reverse and all on it.
On it?
So, yeah.
Oh,
when I was learning. And then when I came here, I used to drive a Ford Endeavour.
Oh, so you're a proper SUV chick.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Quite often, you can't see me above. But I like SUVs.
So
I also feel like people take me seriously if I'm in an SUV.
Yeah,
they'll be like, just bully me.
Kudegi mein. I'm not arriving. I'm jumping out of my car.
Exactly.
So cool, yeah.
I need it. And now I have a Q7. Before that, I had a GLE. And it's just like, especially when it's raining, and I don't know what it is, but it's just a psychological thing. I just feel like comforted when I'm in a... Yeah. Literally. I don't feel like I'm in a boat.
हम आपको यहाँ नहीं आपके घर ड्रॉप कर रहे हैं ना.
You're going to abuse me because all the digging is happening on that side.
No, it's fine.
So-
Again, nice SUV, non-stop protected by Castrol Magnetic. All digging I can take.
It's full plugs
Yeah.
are happening.
Yes, Castrol's been nice to us. Okay.
Okay.
They've been since the beginning. They sponsored our show, so I plug. But
Must,
it's also
must. No, must.
Like, do you all still have that Jeep?
Yes. In fact, it's still there.
So we
it's
should
sitting
come to
in my
Hyderabad.
Mamu's house.
What are you
but
saying?
I don't know if anybody has used it.
Bhai, so we'll come to Hyderabad and we'll do a history on wheels. It's a
That-
show where we just trip on our wheels. Like the history of that car
But
is
that car
epic.
should work. Actually,
Right?
my dad.
Sida.
Right. My dad was a car guy, and he has made 3 baby Austins in his. Yeah, he's made them, but my dad passed away.
Yes.
But he made 3 baby Austins, and I've even sat in one of them. The last one, obviously not the earlier ones.
Oh, that's a fanatic. That's a proper
And now
motorhead.
you have to go towards Perry Road. You know the
Okay,
way?
I have no idea.
Oh, lovely. So yeah, when I mean, I didn't grow up with my dad, but whenever I visited him, he would quite often be tinkering, making these, because he used to assemble everything. So he would
course.
buy the parts, obviously, and then he would assemble it, and then he would get the body made somewhere else.
Okay, fair enough. I mean, you need some like mechanics touch.
Yeah, obviously,
You do,
yeah,
you do,
yeah.
you do.
But he would create an ignition and a crank and stuff like that, and he would take it out on Sundays, stop traffic. He lived in Chennai, so yeah.
यार आप तो पूरा nobility से आती हो फिर. ऐसा है. Isn't that true about the legacy of your family?
Absolutely.
But like, was it easy to play somebody in Taj who has that adab and like that whole nobility happening? Because you've seen somebody or heard of somebody in the family who used to be like that.
No.
Nothing.
First of all, the region is not the same, na?
हाँ, region के अलावा
Mostly
like
South Indian.
like the body and the way you carry yourself.
But I think that comes more from dance.
Yeah.
Yeah. But what I will say, like, I guess the whole way of like, there's a like, if you say that I look like somebody who's not going to scream and shout and abuse,
हाँ जी.
that possibly comes from just
These.
a home in
Yeah.
which, like, especially around my grandfather and all, I couldn't even say shit.
Wow.
It was not okay. And no, like, you know, like things like that, I guess are just ingrained in you from when you're little. But then
Which
I
is
also
okay.
went to boarding school,
Yeah.
and then it's like.
मुंबई बारिश की कोई कहानी आपकी?
So once I was shooting in mud with Sanjay sir,
Okay.
Sanju sir, Sanjay Dutt sir.
ठीक है,
So
ठीक
this
है.
was Bhumi ke time. You know,
हाँ
it's
जी.
a father-daughter story.
Yeah.
So we were there, and that time, so so his car basically it rained really badly, and a tree fell,
Oh damn.
and his car had that, you know, where the suspension you can like raise or drop it.
Yeah.
So his car had that, and I was also I was also in an SUV, but my car didn't have that. So the tree that fell, his car went swing under it, and I was just stuck over there for like hours.
Oh, clever.
And I didn't want to leave anybody, and you know, he said come into my car when he went through, but I was like, I'm not going to leave my team, and
Yes.
like, you know, so then we all trudged, and then we waited so long, then we turned around, and then we said, okay, let's all just catch the ferry. And then we got onto the ferry, and guess who was on the ferry?
No idea.
Rohit Shetty.
Yeah.
They were like, and it was pouring rain, okay? And we were like,
So
chalo,
mud
we're on
island
the
to
ferry
Versova.
with the best crew, because they were all like action people. So you're like, अगर हम
Protected.
गिर भी जाएंगे तो कोई हमें
Max
सेव कर
protection.
लेगा.
Where do they watch Taj? Please tell them.
Z5, 3rd of March, and I really hope you enjoy it.
So this will be a giveaway to the person who can guess what you said during the protection ke fund segment.
Oh.
Yay. Oh wow. So आप लोग
Oh my,
जाओ.
what have I done?
No, like just write love. What have you written?
Some rubbish I've written.
Enjoy life. Be crazy.
बस.
Stay crazy.
No. ये तो गलत स्पेलिंग लिख दी.
Pose with it now. See, she's written moi, but she's made up
Wrong
the
spelling.
spelling.
Sorry.
Please forgive her. Thank you.
I'm underslept.
चलो, we'll get out and get some photos and do a reel with you. But thank you so much for being on the
Thank
Bombay Journey.
you.
It was lovely to
Funsies.
have. Bye guys. Sit signing off.